When you're venturing into the wilderness, having the right gear is the key to a seamless camping experience. Let's dive into the essential campsite equipment checklist to ensure you're well prepared for your outdoor escapade. First and foremost, your shelter in the wild, a durable tent. Choose one that's easy to set up and meets your specific needs. Regular maintenance, like checking for tears or loose seams, will ensure your tent stands strong against the elements. Now, on to the foundation of a good night's rest, sleeping gear. A comfortable sleeping bag and a cozy sleeping pad are non-negotiable. Ensure they're clean and well-aired before each adventure to guarantee a refreshing sleep under the stars. Time to set up your outdoor kitchen. Bring along a portable camp stove, essential cooking utensils, and a set of lightweight camping cookware. Consider eco-friendly cleaning methods like biodegradable soap to keep the natural surroundings pristine. As the sun sets, illuminate your camp with headlamps or flashlights. Check those batteries and pack extras to avoid being left in the dark. Lighting not only provides visibility, but also enhances the overall camping experience. So, as you embark on your outdoor adventure, don't forget this essential campsite equipment checklist. Being well prepared ensures a hassle-free experience, allowing you to fully enjoy the wonders of the great outdoors. Subscribe for more camping tips and gear guides to enhance your outdoor adventures.